Number two, we're asked, Maya's water bottle had 24 ounces in it. After she drank X ounces of water, remember X is just a number in this case, there were 10 ounces left. Select all the equations that represent this situation. So a couple ways we can look at it here. We could look at it like we had a water bottle here that the total here is 24 ounces. Then Mai drank this much, which we're going to say is X because we don't know how much she drank. And what was left over afterwards was 10 ounces left. So we could also look at it horizontally here, just like a tape diagram, where we have the total is 24, and they drank X ounces, and then there were 10 ounces left. So in this case, the easiest setup would be that the equation is 24 minus X equals 10, because we started with 24, we drank X ounces, and then there were 10 left over. Unfortunately, that is not an option in here, but if we look at these diagrams, we can kind of rearrange these numbers to see what equations do get checked off the box. So it wouldn't be A here because we're not actually taking the ounces in the water bottle and dividing it by 10. I'm not saying that 10 times X is going to be 24. We're taking things away, so we're doing some subtraction here like we saw in this original equation here. But one thing, if we're looking at this diagram here, we can say if we took 24 and we took away 10, we'd be left with X, which looks like this as an equation. In this case here, we actually do have an equation that looks like that. 24 minus 10 equals X. If we're looking at B here, 24 plus 10 equals X. 24 plus 10 wouldn't equal X because 24 is what we're starting with. So both X and 10 have to be less than 24. So that one doesn't make sense, along with A, which we already said. X plus 10 equals 24. That one looks good because we say we have over 10 ounces. If we add back what Mai drank, which is X, so 10 plus X, we would get our total of 24 here. So good on this one as well. And like we said before, we're not multiplying 10 times X to get 24, so our two answers here should be C and D.